asutusketju Salpa-Siikana Tuusulantaival fortune. Niin Kerava staircase be. That is going to be modernized. Completely replaced by König. It's been nano space coding boxes in yards, but and workers said that it should be mono space, but I think they changed it to nano space, and this why project is late in staircase A. This second last date is letters in use. In 1974, VS 3740. Sixth floor. Four so 320 kilograms. Ground floor. Inspected by inspector, maintained by Suomen hissiurakointi. Okay, sometimes coming to right should be enough. So it's amazing later. Now it will be gone. That's